This is my homemade clotted cream made in the slow cooker. Just look at that lovely thick golden layer on top. It's made with just one ingredient and slow cooked overnight until rich and creamy. Absolutely perfect served with warm homemade scones and strawberry jam. I'm going to show you how to make it today. Clotted cream is so easy to make, one ingredient, and it's absolutely gorgeous. If you've never tried it or made it, give it a go. It's definitely worth trying once in your lifetime. So to get started, I'm using my slow cooker today. You can make it in the oven, and I do have a recipe for the oven method too, and I'll put a link to that in the comments below so you can try it in the oven if you don't have a slow cooker. The dish I always use quite a wide dish so that when you put your cream into it, it's quite shallow. The more shallow your cream is in the dish, the more clotted cream you will get. So get one that fits into your slow cooker. Great. This is the double cream I'm using. It's very important that your double cream has a fat content of 45% or higher. Otherwise, the clotted cream won't work. So I'm going to get this in here. I'm using 500 mils. I'm going to get this onto the warm setting now for 12 hours. I know some of you are thinking 12 hours, it's an awful long time, it's going to cost a fortune to make. It doesn't actually. Because it's on a warm setting and I'm using the slow cooker, it's going to cost you anywhere from 50 cents to €1, depending on the tariff you're on. So it's definitely worth making. So I'm going to leave this here for 12 hours now, and then I'll show you what to do. My clotted cream is ready, so I'm going to remove it from the slow cooker. You can see all the lovely clotted cream there. I'm going to let this sit for at least an hour, covered in some cling wrap. And then I'm going to get it into the fridge for 12 hours. And then we'll have gorgeous clotted cream. My clotted cream is ready now. Remove the cling wrap. And you can see all the clotted cream there on top. So get yourself a spoon and we're going to scrape the clotted cream off the top. Just put your spoon down a little bit and scrape the top off. Look at that, all that buttery clotted cream, gorgeous. The leftover whey can be used in your scones or in bread. Time to serve this up. Spread over some Kerrygold. Going to go for some jam first and some gorgeous clotted cream on top. And that is melting into the scone. And that's how scones are served in Cornwall. Jam on the bottom and clotted cream on the top. Let's not forget our friends in Devon. And in Devon, they love their clotted cream on the bottom. And jam on top. So tell me, which way do you like yours? Do you like it the Cornwall way with jam on the bottom and clotted cream on top? Or are you a Devon fan? Clotted cream on the bottom and the jam on top. I like them both ways, I have to say. So there you have it, everyone. My homemade clotted cream. One ingredient, so easy to make, beautiful on scones with jam. I really hope you enjoyed the video and the clotted cream. Happy baking, everyone, and see you all soon.